Hey, this is Jenny Jones. What I wanted to do is kind of give you a demo of some of the things we're doing over here at Hackpack TV. We're able to kind of put these tools together. This tool is using Breezy Cloud, which I love, by the way, because the layouts, the pages are so easy to put together. You can tell your story. This is more of a landing page. I've been using it as a landing page and or a website, maybe with one additional page. But this is what I've used for Hackpack TV. This is hackpacktv.com. Let me just give you a free view of what some of the things I'm doing. So a person may come here and say, okay, we got a lot of things moving here. These are my pricing packages. I can either go for the junior plan, the intermediate plan, or the professional plan. But what the challenge is and what people are having a challenge with is if a person makes a selection, nowadays it's like, okay, but how do if I want to upgrade, if I want to just go from regular TV channel access to maybe TV channel access and inner circle access, I can go up one, or maybe I want to go from TV channel access to inner circle access to Hackpack Toolbot. Now, so what you need to understand is right now, currently, it's hard to do or becomes more or less manual to do, right? But let me show you what I'm doing. And I hacked this with ChargeKeep. So if a person makes a purchase here, so let's say they make a purchase here. So they're going to click access here, right? And then they're going to put in their payment. This is $15 recurring payment. They can have a coupon just in case there's been a discount or something. You can put in their name. And so they're going to do that. But here's what happens. It shows up here. And this side, this is your CRM side of your ChargeKeep. And so what it is you can actually go here and then you come here and you says, hey, you know what? I want this to be part of my TV group because I have a TV group of junior, intermediate, and pro. So, but I want to also add upgrade options. So I want to add upgrade intermediate and I want to add an upgrade to pro. So intermediate takes you up to the $30 and then pro takes you up to the $40. So you add those options in, and then what happens is, and this is just some of the things that I go through when I'm talking on Hackpack TV. I'm trying to show you how to best set these up so you don't run into those types of problems. So this is what we have here. So this is paid. And again, inside of your ChargeKeep, you can have a digital download product, you can have a physical product, you can sell event tickets, and you can donate. The event tickets, it creates another bar down here, and it talks about, and this is also where you do your affiliates, and they can sign up for that as well. But when you do the event tickets, it's a whole nother story because it says, is it a physical event or is it an online event? And it actually takes you, and then you can do those, and it actually issues you tickets so people can keep up with it. Again, this is ChargeKeep. It's pretty powerful. So let's look at what the customer then will get. They will get an email, and an email will set up the email, and the email says, hey, what you're going to do. This is the dashboard for that particular customer. This is my test account. This is my test account for this particular customer. What happens is this customer picked up the My Subscriptions, right? He picked up the Hackpack Lite, which was $15, right? He can come here and he can say, you know what? Let me upgrade here, and I can go upgrade, and it gives me the option to go to the Hackpack Pro for $40 or the intermediate from $30 right from here. And it'll do all the adjusting in the Stripe account and all that on its own. So yeah, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. This is Hackpack TV. I'm going in showing you behind the scenes. There's a lot more moving parts to this, but I just kind of wanted to take you through it. And if a person clicks on this, they'll be able to upgrade or they'll be able to downgrade from here. Hope you like that. This is a free preview of some of the things we're doing on Hackpack TV. You guys stay tuned. Lots more coming. Hackpacktv.com. Hackpacktv.com. You guys have been great. Take care. Goodbye for now.